So this is just a quick room tour. This is the view from when you enter the room. This is the Marriott Biscayne Bay hotel. So this is the bathroom. It's a very tight quarters in there because you see where the door and the tub are right there. So you have to walk all the way in to shut the door. So this is the shower area. I think for such an expensive room, it's not expensive, maybe $200 a night. I expected the shower heads to be pristine. I have a thing about clean shower heads. So this is the bathroom. Okay, this is the sink area. And then over here, you have a closet with luggage, hangers, nice full-length mirror that we're gonna skip past. And in here is the room. When you walk in, you have the TV, nice size bed, refrigerator. I am a platinum preferred guest. However, I'm used to getting bottles of water in the room for free. However, because it's live water, they're charging $4. But if you're platinum and above, I believe, you get access to the concierge suite. So I was able to get 2 bottles of small water and 2 Sierra Mist. So you have the bed, and you have the TV where you can do your Hulu and Netflix and YouTube. I may find it to my YouTube. Desk area, excuse my bag and my purse and food. Little sitting area, nice size bed. And this is a corner view of the bay with a balcony. So let me open it up. And you can go out on the balcony. I have like a partial view of the balcony. It's really high up. I'm on the 15th floor. So this is the bay over here. It's really high up. I don't like heights, but you know. See if I can zoom in some. It's the marina in the bay. It's a nice full moon. It's nice, gorgeous. And then you have that area over there, which I believe is where some of the cruise ships are from my last visit. And then turn around this way, you can see some of Miami. I may have to voice over this because I don't have a mic for this camera, but you know. So this is the other view. Parking lot, church. I believe this is either another hotel. No, that's a apartment complex. Maybe. Okay, so that's the gist of the room tour. Nothing much. It's a nice room. Normally they upgrade me. This time they did not, which is fine. I'm only here for one night anyway. And I'll hold this back up. This area, you have all these ports. Let me see if it'll autofocus. A little blurry. I have to figure out how to autofocus this. But you have all these ports. Excuse me, to hook your items in. You get your coffee area. But I'm gonna go up to the concierge lounge to do coffee in the morning. So this is the room. Like, this is really it. Just move my stuff around. So this is it. I'm only here for one night, pre-cruise stay. I'll be on the Norwegian Breakaway tomorrow. in a solo cabin, which I'm excited about. All right, good night. Okay, so it's daytime now. So let's go look at the view in the daytime. And I was right, that's where the cruise ships are. So if you look over there, you can actually see my ship, which is the Breakaway. And I see a Carnival ship. I see the Royal Caribbean Symphony of the Seas. And I see the Empress of the Seas, which is Royal Caribbean. So this is my little makeshift view in the daytime. Here's the marina again. And that's it.